Hello, welcome to the kitchen. Today I'm just going to give you guys a brief overview of how my week went and also give you my weigh-in, all while I prepare my lunch for today. So the first thing I do every day before I actually cook my meals, and sometimes I do this the day before, is I'll go into MyFitnessPal, the app that I use for tracking my calories, and I'll plan out my entire day as far as what I need for macros, carbs, and proteins, and I'll plan that out for what meals I'm gonna have. So mainly for lunch, I try to get a majority of my protein in for the day. So I typically pick a protein like chicken because it's a lean one, but I go right into the app here and I just type in whatever chicken I'm having. So sometimes that's grilled chicken that I make myself. Other times it is just frozen pre-cooked chicken that I buy from the store. It all depends on, honestly, how much effort I want to put into my meal for the day. Chicken is a majority of where I get my protein from. The rest just comes from other foods and also protein shakes. So for lunch, I typically do a chicken wrap. However, what I normally use, the Joseph's Lavish bread, I'm currently out of. So I need to actually go pick up some more of that here soon. But I do have this multi-grain bread. So I'll probably use that as a stand-in today. Now I use something like a Lavish bread or a multi-grain bread, mainly because I do need to get my carbs in for the day yet. The Lavish bread is really nice because it still has quite a bit of protein in it as well. And I'm trying to go for, I think it's 210 grams of protein in a day. I have a video all about how I calculate... Hey! I have a video explaining all about how I calculate my macros and calories for the day, and go ahead and feel free to check it out here, and hopefully it can guide you to what you should be doing for yours as well. So we've got a little bit of protein, and we've got a little bit of carbs. I also want to get some green vegetables in for the day, so...
Hello.
Hello. I'm making a video.
Hi.
Say hi to the people.
Hi, people.
That's what the dog was barking about. I'm showing them my lunch that I typically have, which is my... Usually it's a chicken wrap, but I ran out of the Lavish bread. But I do have this multi-grain from... I don't particularly like the multi-grain because it's very seedy. I call it seedy bread.
James is a tactile eater. Most people are.
Yeah, I don't like the seeds in it. But I'll suffer through it because it's better than... I bought it and it's better than nothing. And you may ask yourself, okay, so we got spinach, we got chicken, and we got bread. What do you do for sauce? Well, I just typically use mustard because it's 0 calories, and other than sodium, there's not much really bad that's in mustard. And if you're like me and you want a little bit of spice, throw on a little bit of sriracha. That's my protein, carb, nutrients. And if we have them cut up, I'll also use peppers, but I don't think we have any left, do we?
Yeah, we do.
Oh, do we really?
That's already covered.
Oh, look at that. We even have peppers left. And I'll throw that all into a sandwich and eat it, because it's good. With 8 ounces of chicken, we can see that totals up to, I think it's 615 calories for that meal. Unfortunately, throughout the week, I was watching my weight on my scale at home, and I hadn't done much exercise for about 3 days after my last weigh-in. So the fact that I maintained was like, okay, I kind of understand that. But then I went for a jog with Toby, I think, what was that, Thursday night? I jogged him on Thursday, got up the next day, I was still the same amount of weight. Took him for a walk that night, got up the next day, still was at the same weight. I went for a jog, a 4-mile jog around Wazicha, and weighed the next day, I was still the same weight. When I weighed in on Sunday, I was actually, I think 411. Here's the weigh-in for Sunday. So I have failed to actually lose anything this week. I've basically maintained the entire week, even though I've increased my exercise by quite a bit. So on Sunday, I decided that I was going to eat a few more calories than normal and then go back to my regular eating today. So hopefully that helps to kind of kick my metabolism back into gear. We'll see. in next week's weigh-in. But that's where I'm currently at.
Why
I'm
does it
still.
seem like whenever you exercise, you tend to gain weight?
I know. Whenever
Why
I
is that?
whenever I increase my exercise, and it's
It always
consistent.
It's consistent.
It's
Every time
consistent too.
you increase your. I know everybody say that's because of muscle.
Yeah, but no. Like, yeah, muscle can be a slight contributing factor to that, but not to this extent. Like I'm more
So
active.
anybody out there can answer that question, please.
Yes. Typically, when I'm more active, it seems like I just don't lose weight. I maintain it.
Do you think it's because you burn more and then you eat more because you
But I'm not eating more, is
are
the
hungry?
thing.
You're not?
No. I may have gone 100 over calories on one day, and it was in protein, not carbs or anything. And yet it's, ooh, I can have watermelon too. I'll have some
I'm
watermelon.
having watermelon.
No, I can add that because my meal is only 615 calories. So I'll add some watermelon to that. Even though, like, I feel like I should be losing more when I exercise because I'm
And
technically,
I
I'm
see
burning more
change-
calories.
I see a change in your body.
Oh yeah, everyone's
And
been
you
saying
feel
that.
better.
Everyone's been saying that I look different and that,
But
and
the
I do feel
scale-
better.
I guess it's true when they say that it's not always about the number on the scale.
Right. But I keep pushing forward regardless because in hope and knowing that eventually the scale will follow suit. Hope there was something informative within this video for you to take from it. But as always, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, you guys have a wonderful week.